If you were to take random scoop of carbon in the universe, funny thing about the periodic table, when you look at the periodic table, if you look at the atomic mass of the elements, the periodic table says that carbon has an atomic mass of 12.011 amus. Here's the thing. There are 0 carbon atoms in the universe that have a mass of 12.011 amus. So why does the periodic table list 12.011 as the atomic mass if there are no carbon atoms with that atomic mass? It's because the periodic table lists the weighted average atomic mass for carbon. If you were to take random scoop of carbon in the universe, then that average carbon atom would have a mass of 12.011. But each individual carbon atom has either a mass of 12 or a mass of 13, sometimes 14. So let's figure out how we can use the weighted average formula to figure out the actual atomic mass for carbon. So our formula for weighted average atomic mass is the mass of isotope number 1 times that isotope's natural abundance listed as a percent. And then we continue adding the rest of the isotopes. So we add isotope number 2 and its atomic mass times its percent natural abundance. And we keep doing that with all of the naturally occurring isotopes for an element. So if we want to find the weighted average atomic mass for carbon, the first isotope of carbon has a mass of 12 amu, and its natural abundance is 98.9%, or 0.989% natural abundance. It's the most abundant isotope of carbon in the universe. The next isotope of carbon is carbon-13, with a mass of 13 amus, 6 protons, 7 neutrons, and its natural abundance is 1.1%, or 0.011. So this is the formula then for the weighted average. If you take the isotope times its natural abundance plus the next isotope times its natural abundance, these are the 2 commonly occurring natural isotopes of carbon, then we get the official atomic mass of 12.011 amus. This is where the periodic table atomic mass comes from, the weighted average of each of the naturally occurring isotopes of that element. Interestingly, this is also the same formula that you use to figure out your grade in a class where you have different grade categories and each category has a different weight. I'll link to that video as a bonus below if you want to calculate your grade in a weighted class. But for now, this is how we use the weighted average formula to determine the atomic mass as listed on the periodic table. 0 carbons have a mass of 12.011 amus. It either has a mass of carbon-12 or a mass of carbon-13, but a random scoop of carbon in the universe, we can say in bulk, on average, the average carbon atom has a mass of 12.011 amus, thanks to the weighted average formula.
Thanks for watching. The best way you can support this channel is to let your friends know about these videos, especially ones who go to different schools. Help spread the word around the country. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.